Hello everyone, I welcome you all to this channel. So in this video we are going to see about a very important topic in the industrial engineering, which is the forecasting. So basically in this video, first of all we will see what is the definition of forecasting, how we can categorize forecasting, and what will be the different methods under different categories of forecasting. We will see all these methods in a great detail. Okay, so let's start this video. So first of all, if we see what is the definition of forecasting, we can simply say that it is the projection of past data into future. That means, for example, I have a company, I manufacture umbrellas, right? So suppose this is the month of August and I want to know that what amount of umbrellas do I require to produce in the month of September. So for that I cannot just look into my manufacturing umbrellas, number of manufacturing umbrellas in the month of say March. Okay, because suppose in March I just produced 100 umbrellas. Okay, so I cannot say that the same number of umbrellas I should produce in the month of September, because I know that September is a rainy season, so the number of umbrellas required will be more. So what can I do? I can just look into the last year record of September. Okay, so from there I can estimate that maybe my number of umbrellas required in the September is 500. So I can just look into the last year record of September, last year requirement of umbrellas by the customers of September. So according to that I can predict my number and can manufacture according to that. So that is, here it is written that it is the projection of past data into future. So that is the simple definition of the forecasting. Also you can say forecast of a future demand, right? So forecasting means simply it is the forecast of future demand or the prediction of the future demand. We are predicting today that what will be my requirement in the future. Okay, also you can say it is a scientifically calculated guess, although it is a guess but not a random guess. We are calculating scientifically that what is going to be my requirement in the future. So this is the simple definition of the forecasting. Now if we want to further categorize this forecasting, we can simply say that forecasting can be categorized in two parts. One, it is the qualitative methods, other one is the quantitative methods. So as the name suggests, you can also understand that qualitative method means it is simply a subjective method, right, in which no numbers or data is involved in. Okay, so simply we can say it is a subjective method. One second. Okay, so it is a subjective method. Qualitative methods is, if we want to further categorize the qualitative method and want to understand, we can say that one of the qualitative methods is market survey, Delphi method, and the historic method. So let's understand this method. So first of all, what is a market survey? So if we want to know what is a market survey, I can simply say you that these methods simply state about the feedback from the customers. In this method we just go to the customers randomly and we just ask their feedback about our about the product which we are going to manufacture. Okay, so in this method we just go to the customer and directly ask them about this product, about their requirement. So according to that we can forecast or can predict our future demand, right? So in this method, market survey simply means going into the market and surveying. So one method can be feedback, other can be questionnaires. Okay, so you can simply ask question to the customers and can know about our forecasting process. We directly go to them and just want to get their feedback and we ask question. So according to that we predict our future demands. So next, in the Delphi method, what does it methods says? So Delphi method is nothing but a panel of experts. So it is a panel of experts sits together. Okay, I'm not writing in detail. It is here a panel of expert just sits together and have a meeting, and according to them what is they decide that what is going to be our future demand or future requirement. So according to that we forecast and we manufacture our products. So this is the Delphi methods, where a panel of experts are involved and they decide the whole thing. So what is the historic estimate? And as the name says, it is a historic estimate. That means we assume here that the past demand will be repeated in the future. We assume that past past demand will repeat in future. So simply in this method we assume that whatever was in the history, it will just repeat. Okay, so this is the qualitative method in which all the subjective methods are involving no calculations or no prediction of data are involving in this method. It is therefore called the subjective method. So also we need to understand that it is subjective in nature, as I already told, and it is suitable for long term. So you can remember this for short questions. It is suitable for long term, that is qualitative method is for long term, and it is also suitable for new products. Whenever we are going to manufacture a new product, we generally go for the qualitative methods. Okay, so now we are going to look into the most important method, which is the quantitative method. So simply the numericals come from these methods only. We are going to learn these four methods in a great detail, and we'll also solve few problems related to this so that you can understand all these methods, right? So quantitative methods includes simple moving average method, weightage moving average method, exponential moving average method, and the regression analysis. These are very important, and questions every time asked from these methods. Okay, these are the most important part of this chapter. So we are going to see all this method in a great detail. So we will see this method from the next video. And also you need to remember that a quantitative method is generally objective in nature. So just remember this thing. And quantitative method are used for short-term forecasting. Okay, and it is used for the old product. So short questions or MCQ can come from this, that suppose which method is suitable for old products, qualitative method or quantitative method, or maybe these options will be given in the question. So you can simply say that old product is generally suitable, sorry, quantitative method is generally suitable for the old products. Okay, so these are the basics of forecasting. Okay, so we have discussed. Now we are in a position that we can answer that what is forecasting. Okay, and how we can differentiate forecasting and what are the methods involved, what is qualitative method, what is quantitative method. We know all these things right now. Okay, so from the next video we are going to see this method one by one. So first of all we will see simple moving average method, we will see weightage moving average method, and we also see exponential moving average method and the regression analysis method. Okay, so thank you, and please like this video and please subscribe to this channel. Okay, thank you.